In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a calendar on Acuity. This is an essential skill for anyone using Acuity scheduling to manage appointments, and whether you're tidying up your dashboard or simply removing a calendar you no longer need, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, make your way over to the Acuity scheduling platform. If you're not already there, opening up your preferred web browser and searching for Acuity scheduling is your best bet. Once you've found it, navigating to the Acuity homepage is just the beginning of our journey today. Upon arriving at the homepage, your next action is to log into your account. Look for the login button, typically located in the upper right corner of the page, and give it a click. This action is your gateway to accessing all the functionalities that lie ahead, including the management of your calendars. Now it's time to authenticate your identity and prove that you are indeed the rightful owner and user of the account. Start by entering your email address into the designated field. This simple step ensures you're on the right track to accessing your dashboard and making the necessary changes to your scheduling setup. After typing your email, you'll proceed by clicking Next. This moves the process along, directing you to the next phase of the login sequence. Here, Acuity offers you a variety of options to continue, including the continuation with a Google account, which simplifies the process by linking your scheduling directly to your Google identity. Should you choose to continue with Google, select the Continue with Google option and proceed to choose the Google account you wish to use. This seamless integration between Acuity and Google not only expedites the login process, but also ensures a more streamlined experience across your internet accounts. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the section where calendars are managed. Start by going to Availability. It's in this section that you'll find a wealth of options related to your scheduling preferences and, most importantly, access to your calendars. Once you're in the Availability section, look for the Calendars option. Clicking on Calendars will reveal all the calendars you've set up in Acuity. This is where you can really start to manage your schedules in depth. In the Calendars section, you'll want to identify the specific calendar you wish to delete. Each calendar has its own settings accessible through the Calendar settings. Dive into these settings to begin the deletion process. The settings offer a plethora of options, but today we're focused on one in particular, deleting the calendar. To initiate the deletion process, find and click on Delete Calendar. This option, though perhaps not the most frequently used, is crucial for maintaining an organized scheduling environment. It allows you to remove calendars that are no longer relevant to your current scheduling needs. After you click on Delete Calendar, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. It will ask you to confirm your decision. If you're certain that you want to proceed, click on Yes, Delete Calendar. This finalizes your decision and effectively removes the calendar from your account. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of deleting a calendar on Acuity. This action can help streamline your scheduling process, making it easier to manage the appointments and schedules that truly matter. Remember, deletion is permanent, so always ensure that you've selected the right calendar and that you're ready to part ways with it before confirming the deletion. It's always a good idea to double check any appointments or information in the calendar to ensure nothing crucial is lost in the process. In conclusion, managing your Acuity scheduling setup by deleting unused or unnecessary calendars not only helps in keeping your scheduling system organized, but also ensures your focus remains on the calendars that serve your current needs. Whether you're decluttering your dashboard or making room for new schedules, following the steps we've outlined today will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to delete a calendar on Acuity. Whether you're tidying up your online scheduling or making space for new projects, mastering these steps makes managing your digital workspace easier and more efficient. Until next time, keep scheduling smartly and see you in the next video.